How to use a dictionary for learning English. Hello friends, I'm Aditi and you're watching Prima English. Today let's talk about a very helpful friend, the dictionary. A dictionary is not just a book of meanings. It is a tool to make your English stronger. Step 1. Whenever you find a new word, don't just look at the meaning. Check how it is pronounced. Most dictionaries also have pronunciation. Step 2. Read the example. Read the example sentence. This shows you how the word is used in real life. For example, bright means full of light. But in sentence, it can be a bright star or a bright student. Step 3. Use a new word in your own sentence. For example, if you learn bright, say my room is bright or my friend is a bright boy. Step 4. Keep a word diary. Write new words and their meanings. Revise them every week. Remember, the more words you learn, the more confident you become in speaking. That's all for today. This is Aditi and we will meet in the next video. And if you like our efforts, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye bye.